220 admission when Warrant Officer Munakeri testified.
Yeah, right.
We have incorporated that admission in the list of admission, and we have attached that. We'll just briefly take the court through the firstly the list of admissions. That's Exhibit F that has been amended. My Lord, we previously indicated that there was a duplication of Exhibit J.
Yeah.
That's the affidavit of Warrant Officer Steenkamp, the facial identification expert. Her report was handed up as Exhibit J.
Yeah.
However, there was a duplication with the statement of Forensic Pathology Officer Ms. Elizabeth Mukwena, and we did mention to the court previously that we suggest that Exhibit J should remain as it is, referring to the report of Warrant Officer Amanda Steenkamp, the facial identification expert.
Okay.
That since little or hardly any reference has been made to the statement of the Forensic Pathology Officer Mukwena, that her affidavit should be renamed Exhibit K.
Okay.
And we also suggested that paragraph 5 of the admissions which I've just handed up should be amended accordingly and referred to Exhibit K. I did send on the 26th of March 2025 an email to my colleagues drawing their attention to this duplication, and we also mentioned that fact in court. I haven't had any, my colleagues undertook to look into that. I suppose during the course of the day today, they'll just indicate what their standpoint is. Then paragraph 13 of the amended list of exhibits refers to the photo album of Warrant Officer Munakeri, and I'll just quickly read it as it is. The photo album of Warrant Officer T.G. Munakeri, Exhibit ZZZZ in brackets 2, dated 19 June 2025, depicting the aerial photos of South African Police Service Force Lores, depicting the Force Lores Court, depicting the municipal building, depicting the shopping mall next to the municipal building, depicting the Force Lores taxi rank is admitted. The court will recall that yesterday when the witness stepped into the witness box, the all counsel indicated that his evidence is formally admitted.
Okay.
Okay. Then just to come back to the updated list of exhibits, we'll start on page 6. In fact, page 5, I'm sorry. On page 5, paragraph 38, it's exhibit V in bracket 3. It's a new exhibit that was handed up, I think, by Mr. Ramusipili during the cross-examination of Brigadier Gininda. It's the statement of Mr. Tumelo Madlala, dated 5 November 2020.
Okay.
Then on page 8, paragraph 76, exhibit what has been included, exhibit is reference to exhibit DD4 in brackets A. It's a photo of downloads of accused number 2, placed side by side with the identikit, exhibit BB.
Okay.
Then paragraph 77, exhibit 4 in brackets B. Those are 18 photos found on the extracts of the downloads of accused number 2's cell phone. Then page 16.
16.
Yes, 16.
Okay.
16, paragraph 148. It's exhibit XXX, there's the affidavit regarding the requests that was made by accused number 1 for certain cars that were involved in his pointings out. That is an affidavit explaining what the situation is, exhibit XXX. Paragraph 149, exhibit ZZ. Those are extracts of the 2014 diary of Brigadier Gininda.
Okay.
Then paragraph 150, exhibit ZZ in brackets 1. Those are the aerial photographs of Foslores Police Station, Foslores Court, Municipality Building, and surrounding areas taken by warrant of some Nakedi. That is the formal admission that I referred to earlier on.
Okay.
Paragraph 151, exhibit ZZ in brackets 2. Those are the inspection in local photos by Sergeant J.G. Mangani. Then paragraph 152, exhibit ZZ in brackets 3. That is the aspect, my lord, that stood down yesterday, and we'll come back to that issue. Paragraph 152.
For the death certificate?
No, the prison records
I see.
regarding the proposition that was made by Advocate Nisi that accused number 1 was arrested in 2013 and released on 17 September 2014.
Oh, okay.
Then paragraph 153, it's exhibit ZZ in brackets 4. There was a typing error.
Okay.
There's the death certificate of Mr. Tabam Makaleni. My lord, we cannot remember if it has formally been handed up. It was referred to in the evidence, and just out of abundance of caution,
Yeah, it was not handed up.
we just want to
Is that the gentleman who was at the garage, allegedly?
end up, yes, my lord. The one that's also referred to in
Yeah.
the report of warrant of sustained camp.
Right. Just as a matter of interest, this gentleman, is the inquest over? Was the inquest held? If you don't know, you don't know. Of Makaleng. I see here they say cause of death. They say it's under investigation.
Yes. Well,
Okay.
Sorry, Madam, can I ask for the copy of this certificate that has been handed to the court?
well, we'll find out if
Yeah, you're fine.
an inquest was held. Then, as far as the real exhibits are concerned, this will be on the last page, page 22.
22.
Yes.
Yeah,
Page
okay.
22. What was handed up,
Yeah.
Exhibit 6. It was a USB containing the downloads of accused number 2's cell phone by a warrant officer in Dovu. Then Exhibit 7, and we've realized that there could be, in fact, there's a duplication with Exhibit 10. So Exhibit 7 and Exhibit 10 refers to the same exhibit.
Okay.
This is a USB containing downloads of accused number 3 by Sergeant Mabasa. Then Exhibit 8, it's a USB containing ENC footage depicting Mr. Longwe Twala on the 27th of October 2014 at the house of the Kumalos. Then Exhibit 8A is the series of correspondence that we handed up yesterday and placed on record. It's letters from the Office of the DPP Pretoria, letter from the Office of the National Director of Public Prosecutions, letter from the Director of Public Prosecutions, Johannesburg,
Yeah.
a request from the Senior Prosecutor Boksburg, requesting the Magistrate Boksburg to order for the issuing of a Section 205 subpoena against Mr. John Bailey, the news editor of ENCA.
Oh.
Then yesterday we handed up Exhibit 9. It's a USB containing Section 205 of all the accused except accused number 5, incorporating exhibits DD5D up to G of Ms. Kelly Kumalo Longwe and the RICA information. As we mentioned yesterday, it's basically all the information that Ms. Pinky Fratelligam testified on.
Okay.
Then there's a paragraph that should refer to exhibits S. I'm just quickly looking for that paragraph. So it's on page 4. Page 4, paragraph 32.
Yes.
Exhibit S, there's the affidavit of Sergeant Moses Mabasa dated 17 August 2020, consisting of annexures A to C. And we mentioned there that annexure S in brackets C is the contact list of accused number 3. Then exhibit S in brackets D, those are photos of extract of downloads of accused number 3, enhanced by Sergeant Mabasa. That's the one depicting what the witnesses described as a gold tooth. Then exhibit S in brackets E, that is a dental report on accused number 3. Accused number 3's dental examination by Dr. Z. Ali at Kalafong Hospital, dated 18 June 2025.
Was that handed up?
Yes, it was handed up.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's exhibit S in brackets E. The court will recall that we even intimated that we wanted to call the dentist, but Dr. Ali, but that Advocate Nisi indicated that he is their witness.
Are you
and
being
the-
correct? Oh, okay.
Yes, sorry, I'm sorry, my lord.
Then I was saying, is he being correctly quoted, Mr. Mnisi?
Yes, and the court then asked what is the status of Exhibit S in brackets E?
Yeah,
Yes, that's where we left it.
that's where we left it. And Mr. Mnisi never pursued it. If I'm wrong, just correct me, because I don't recall it being handed up. I said, is this the correct way of handing up a document where the document is not accompanied by an affidavit?
May I assist, my lord?
Yeah.
It is so that a document was not formally handed in. However, the content of the document in its entirety was read into record by Mr. Mabasa when he was being, I think it was re-examination by Advocate Sibanda. He read the entire record of that document, the entire content of that document into record. Thank you.
As long as you are satisfied, I don't want us to get to somewhere and then to say, this judge took into consideration a document which was not proven. If you say, in your view, it's proven, fine.
It was not handed in formally as an exhibit, my lord, because I only referred Sergeant Mabasa to specific paragraph
I hear
in that
Yeah, fine,
report.
fine.
Then Advocate Siwanda took it up and read the entire content of that report into record.
Okay, fine. All right.
As a court, please, my lord, then there's only one aspect that is left. Do we see that it's time for the short adjournment?
That's all.
Can we take the short adjournment at this point?
Okay. Thanks.